I've just scaled this store from $0 to $15,000 per day, and what I'm about to give you is the exact 7-step framework that I've used. If followed correctly, this can take you from where you are right now to earning 10 to 30K per month with dropshipping in under 6 months. This checklist that I've laid out is in chronological order. So starting from the complete beginning stages and moving through the more advanced steps. If you just follow this video, you're going to learn how to pick perfect products and what a perfect product is, what the criteria are, etc. You're also going to learn how to truly become productive and use every minute of your day using our structure. Then I'm going to show you the exact framework on how to truly go viral on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube, and basically start making your first sales in a matter of weeks. The very first thing you need to learn is picking the right products. Let me just show you how we pick products, especially for the organic dropshipping business model. To be honest, it's by far the best one to start out with as a beginner. All right, so when you find a product, it's crucial to fill all of this in first. All right, product name, video link, AliExpress link, and AliExpress cost. Very easy. After that, the interesting part starts to happen. The first criteria is this product easy to go viral with? Does this product have such a cool wow factor that people actually just want to keep watching by just showing the product? Or is it a product which is extremely difficult to go viral with? If it actually is a good product, then you put a 1 here. If it's not, then put a 0. Is it recent? Did somebody else go viral with it in the last 4 weeks? If no, put 0. If yes, put a 1. Imagine this. You go viral with a product, like with this 2D bag here, for example. You go viral with this because it looks funny, and then you end up making 0 sales, even though you got 1 million views. And the reason for that is people don't want this thing. It looks silly, it looks stupid, nobody wants to wear it. So the question you need to always ask yourself is, do people actually want the product? Again, 0 or 1 into the thing. And then the last thing is, can I film with this product? If it's a dog product and you don't have a dog, you can't film with it. If it's a kid product and you don't have a child, don't do that. So make sure you can actually film this product. Now, if you are a student within our mentoring program, you will literally just fill out this sheet. We look over it and we tell you, pick this product. Start with this one because we know what's working and what's not. And obviously, as a beginner, it's much more difficult to choose by yourself. So that's that. And if you're just starting out, the easiest way to find winning products is just by scrolling on TikTok and using the burner method. It's not about where you find the products. It's about which product you pick. It's very easy to find 100 products. It's very difficult to pick which one is the best. Step number 3, steal other people's shit. It sounds horrible, I know. However, if you want to make money with a product, you have to steal a product that already is working. If you want to go viral, you have to copy videos that already work. If you want to make sales, you have to copy a website that already works. Copy stuff and make it better. I'm going to show you an example of one of my clients who copied a viral video of 1-to-1 and made $24,000 from this video alone just because he did copy. My client scrolled around on TikTok and saw this video right here and basically thought to himself, let me just do the same exact thing but make it a little bit better. You can see the videos are basically the same thing. There's only a few differences like the captions and just a few minor details. But the video he filmed has 27 million views because he just copied the concept from somebody else and improved on it. And again, these 26 million views made him $24,000 in sales from one single video. How this happened was because proof of concept is king. It's by far the most important part. You don't even understand what can happen if you copy other people's things and then just improve on it. It's going to make you so much money if you do it the right way. The next thing you need to do is use a calendar to plan each minute of your day. Now, I've talked about this multiple times on this channel, and if you've seen me talk about it, you probably are going to think, all right, I already know this hack. No. Why don't you do it? Literally 50% of your entire progress depends on this. I've seen people in my program not use the calendar structure, then change it up and start to use it, and their businesses literally exploded. So for those of you who don't know what I'm talking about, you basically take 20 minutes every day to fill out your calendar. What you do is every evening you plan out your entire next day in hourly blocks. When do I start? How long is the first task going to take? And you basically plan out the entire day. And then when you're done with the to-do list, you actually adjust it to how long things truly took. So if you just do this, your life is literally gonna change. And this goes hand in hand with my next point, which is you have to set a new rule. I only go to sleep when I'm done with all of my to-do lists and I've posted at least 5 videos per day. If you're doing organic dropshipping, you need to post 5 to 10 videos every single day. And if you don't, you're not allowed to go to sleep. And what you should be using to make sure that you actually do this is your video success tracker. The whole thing consists of 3 columns: date, videos posted, and amount posted. Every single day you end the day by putting in the date and then basically checking off if you actually posted your videos or not. You make it green if you did, and it should be red if you didn't. And then on the right side, you're gonna put the amount of videos you actually did post. You're gonna do this for a few weeks and you're gonna see how many greens versus red days you had. You're gonna be actually shocked on how much you're missing out on if you just track it. Tracking is everything, because tracking just pushes into your face that you suck. That's what tracking does, and you need that. It's very, very important to be able to see exactly what's going on. So trust me, just do this every day. Your life is going to be much better if you do. The next thing is very difficult to do, but you just have to. And it is, don't let annoying stuff take you down. By far the most people quit when annoying things happen. Shadow bans, Stripe bans, Facebook Business Manager bans, you post 100 videos, they don't go viral. All these things are solvable, but you have to push through. And in the moment, it feels unsolvable. You think that is the end of everything and you can't make it work. You try everything, but it just doesn't work. And reality is, you are not special. Nothing about you is special. The problem you have, 100 people already had before you, 90% quit, and 10 people made it work. The only question is, are you going to be part of the 90% or the 10%? Everything is solvable, and the only thing that can actually fuck up your learning curve is just changing strategies. Because whenever annoying bullshit happens, you have shiny object syndrome. The grass is always greener on the other side. When you do organic, Facebook looks so sexy. And the other way around, it does as well. However, in reality, every single business model has its own issues. And we've tested everything. Organic works the best as a beginner. Instead of trying to switch strategies, solve the fucking issues. One of my clients, Alex, for example, he went through exactly that. He got blocked by Stripe, had a massive PayPal hold. He tested so many videos, but he couldn't just find a video angle that converted views into sales. He had a low conversion rate, all of these things. And we helped him. We found new payment providers for him. We refined how he's filming videos. We optimized his landing page. And then he literally made $130,000 by just staying focused and sticking with one strategy and just doing what we told him. Now, if you want me and my team to literally give you the solution to every dropshipping problem out there, we can do that. Every problem which can happen, either me or somebody from my program already experienced, and there's always going to be someone who's able to solve it. If you struggle to find a winning product, it's not hard. If you struggle to find a winning product, we just tell you what it is. If you struggle to go viral, we just tell you why you're not going viral. And we just look over everything you do. So if you actually want to start working with us, you can click the link below, sign up for a completely free consultation session with us, and we're going to make it work. The next thing I want to talk about, all the questions and all the worries you have. One product store versus general store. My shipping times are bad. What if PayPal holds my things? What if customers get angry? Please shut up and don't worry about it. The only thing which is relevant is the problem in front of you. Don't worry about anything else. Your logo is irrelevant. Your shipping times are irrelevant. You didn't even have your first sale. None of these things matter. You don't have to pay taxes before you get the sales. You get the sales after that, you worry about it. Now, this is not the time. Don't let other things distract you. It's very important to just focus on getting people to buy from your store. And it's so funny to see how on YouTube all these like dropshipping gurus tell you how to make a perfect logo and all these things. It's all bullshit. Just whenever you do tasks for your dropshipping business, ask yourself, am I getting closer to somebody buying my stuff or not? If it's not getting you closer, stop doing it. Next thing is being cold and not getting emotionally attached. This is very difficult. And if a product doesn't work and it doesn't show potential in the first like few weeks of you testing it, move on. Don't even consider buying inventory, branding it, putting a crazy amount of effort into it to make it work. Now, you have to market first, make a bunch of money, and then brand later. Test the markets before you get emotionally attached to anything. This is why the whole branded dropshipping concept is bullshit. As a beginner, if you start a brand, by definition, you already made a mistake because you committed yourself to one product, which you're not even sure if it's a winner. This is very advanced level things. If you know exactly what a winning product is, at some point, maybe you can start a brand. it's not worth it in the beginning. Now, the plan I just laid out for you, without even exaggerating, works 10 times better if you are in our program. Because we not only pick the strategy for you, but also make sure that you stay on track and only focus on the right things. We are literally there for you to hold you accountable and yell at you for switching our own strategies and all these things. Like we did with Joel, who literally wanted to do Facebook ads, and then we told him that the right strategy for him is not Facebook, but TikTok Organic, and he literally made over $100,000 since then with his organic dropshipping business. The second thing is finding products with the list of criteria. Again, we select products for you. You can literally stop guessing. For example, we selected a product for Jake and he made $60,000 in 5 months, and that's it. This wouldn't have happened if we wouldn't just tell him what to test. Now, when it comes to the point which I mentioned earlier, you have to copy other people's videos and improve them, we review all of your videos. We literally come up with your own unique twists to viral videos to make them even more viral for yourself. We will literally review every single video you show us in one-on-one calls. We show you exactly what to change about them and what to do. When it comes to planning out your day and using the calendar structure, in our program, we literally keep all of our students accountable. We basically make sure that you actually implement the things we tell you. Because it's the same thing like going to the gym by yourself versus going to the gym by your friend. If you are meeting up with a friend and going to the gym, it doesn't require discipline. You just go there because you guys hold each other accountable, and it's 10 times easier to consistently go to the gym with a friend than by yourself. This is exactly what we do in our program, but obviously we're not just like a friend who's doing the thing with you. On top of holding you accountable, we just tell you what to change, how to improve on things, etc. So again, we're gonna hold you accountable for at least posting 5 videos per day. We're gonna yell at you if you don't. This is just a non-negotiable. If you're with us, you have to do this. And when it comes to like all the annoying things which I talked about, like blocks or shadow bans or all these like annoying problems you can face, we already went through every single one of them. We had all of them. We just tell you what to do. We give you all the connections. If you get blocked by a payment provider, if you get shadow banned by the algorithm, we know what to change to unblock you. So if you do it by yourself, you're going to have to figure it out and then do it. If you do it with us, you just do it right away. And when it comes to not getting emotionally attached to your products, obviously within our program, we tell you when to kill a product and when to scale it. So imagine you test a product and it doesn't really work for you. And you just don't know if you're so super close to going viral and making a bunch of money off it, or you're just wasting your time. That's impossible to figure out by yourself because you just don't know. We can tell you if you should move on or if you should keep going. And the opportunity cost of keeping going too long with one product is immense. But also, stopping a product right before you make a bunch of money is also insanely big of a problem. For example, we had a client, Alex, who made well over 100K now. He was about to quit his product and we told him, no, just keep going. And he did for a week and it blew up like crazy. And this one product made him over 100K. If you want to get started to work with us in a mentoring program, which is just going to guide you through the entire process of dropshipping, click the first link in the description and I will see you very, very soon. It's a free consultation call. We're going to see if it's a good fit and I will talk to you then.